Hey everyone, Fast Hub here. Making money online has never been hotter, especially with blogging. You don't need a fancy computer or tech guru to get started. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 ways you can make money blogging in 2025, all from your mobile phone. So buckle up, get ready to take some notes, and let's unlock the secrets to turning your blog into a money-making machine. First up, we've got affiliate marketing. You find a product you love, tell your audience about it, and if they buy it through your special link, you get a commission. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own products. You're basically a matchmaker, connecting your audience with awesome stuff they need. Tons of companies have affiliate programs, from Amazon to your local online bookstore. Just look for an affiliate or partner link on their website. And the best part, you can manage everything from your phone. Sign up for programs, track your earnings, and find new products to promote, all while you're on the go. It's like having a money-making machine right in your pocket. Next up, we've got sponsored posts. Brands pay you to talk about their products or services on your blog. You need to find brands that align with your niche and that your audience will actually be interested in. The key here is authenticity. Your audience can smell a phony endorsement from a mile away, so make sure you genuinely like the product or service you're promoting. Now, attracting brands might seem daunting at first, but trust me, it's not rocket science. Start by creating high-quality content that showcases your expertise. Build a loyal following that trusts your recommendations, and don't be afraid to reach out to brands you love and pitch yourself. You never know what could happen. Now, let's talk about ad networks, the silent but deadly moneymakers of the blogging world. These platforms connect your blog with advertisers who want to reach your audience. One of the most popular ad networks out there is Google AdSense. Setting it up is as easy as pie. You just sign up, paste a bit of code on your blog, and voila, ads start appearing like magic. The amount of money you make with ads depends on your traffic, your niche, and the placement of your ads. And the best part? You can manage everything from your phone, track your earnings, experiment with ad placements, and watch the money roll in. Let's move on to the exciting world of digital products. This is where you get to package your knowledge, skills, or creativity into digital goodies and sell them online. Think ebooks, online courses, templates, printables. The possibilities are endless. The beauty of digital products is that they're like the gift that keeps on giving. You create them once and they can generate passive income for months or even years to come. Choosing the right digital product to create depends on your niche and your audience's needs. What problems are they facing? What solutions can you offer? Once you've got your product, selling it is a breeze. You can promote it on your blog, social media, or even create a dedicated sales page. And last but not least, we have online courses. This is where you take your knowledge and expertise to the next level by creating comprehensive online courses or webinars that teach people valuable skills. There are tons of platforms out there like Teachable, Thinkific, and Podia that make it super easy to create, host, and sell your courses. You can connect with your students from all over the world, build a thriving online community, and make a real impact while you're at it. So there you have it, folks. 5 awesome ways to make money blogging in 2025, all from the comfort of your phone. We talked about affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, ad networks, digital products, and online courses, each with its own unique earning potential. Remember, the key to success in the blogging world is consistency, quality content, and a sprinkle of that Fast Hub magic. So go out there, put these tips into action, and watch your blogging dreams take flight. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging.